Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. So it's been about a week since I did a recap on my trades, and actually I closed out last week in the green. If you are in the chat room, there will be link in the description to join the chat room itself. But I closed out in the green last week. I'm on a solid hot streak right now, closing green every day so far. My day trading that I started, and doing very well. So today actually closed in the green. Took a quick trade on BA for about a 50-cent move, and yesterday, Tuesday, closed out green as well on DGas. I posted this trade alerts. Again, I opened up my natural gas ETF. That's open to everyone, and I post all my trades on natural gas ETFs, so you don't have to have a membership for that. So if you are in the free part of the chat room, you do get these alerts for free. I do have the natural gas chat room that's open to everyone as well for free. And Monday was a very good day. Again, the trade started out in the red, but I ended up in the green. Actually, DGas was the one, and came out green on that one. Caught in on the dip, add a little bit more, and it came up, and I took profit on that one, and played UVXY and short and long for small quick profits on that one, and closed that green. So Monday was the biggest day so far, and today was a pretty good day. Again, I shorted BA today, and what happened was I should have kept a little bit in the play, as it was a winning trade. I should have let that winner run, but again, it's a big stock, it's a big large cap stock, and it does tend to move dollars. So I took trade about 379. Let me take a look here. About 379.5 short, and I covered right below 379 for a 50-cent move. And I had a winning trade on in the beginning in the morning. My trading was acting up, so I didn't get to trade till about after 10. I took a quick short around there, and I took profits. And what happened was it tried to shake me out right here, and I saw it drop, and I immediately took profits. I got the green out of there after my first green. That was my second green, and I saw it coming down more, and I just took profits, but it came down about $4 or $5 in the profit. So I just want to hold a little bit more next time and let my winners run. So that was the trades for this week so far. So again, this is a midweek recap. So again, let's get into S&P 500 and see what the markets are doing. So again, Feds announced news today. They're keeping the rates on hold for now, and they said there'll be maybe a hike next year in 2020, but for this year they're going to keep them on hold. If you can check out the article right there, that's on CNBC, that's on the headlines and in the top news. It's been all over the news so far. So we did get that huge spike on SPY in the markets right after that was announced, and that was announced at 2 p.m. As usual, and that was a 2-day event. So from yesterday into today, that was a pretty big event that I was waiting for, and they finally announced it today. We saw that huge spike and then sell off. So what's going on here? Again, 283 has been that big resistance for S&P 500. So looking at this, again, we can see that right here. Let me load up the Fibonacci chart. So you can see it right here at 282, 283 region. We're seeing that big resistance right here. Every time it's going up there, it's making that sell-off and getting rejected and coming back down. And looking at the 30-day chart, you can see every time it's hitting that 283, 283 region, it's making that big spike and coming back down. It's being kept down. It's not going over that highs, because the next resistance is all the way up at all-time highs at 293.94. So this gap fill right here, this run up is going to be very tough to even break over 285. So let's see if the Fed news continues to have the markets green and have it go up, or are we going to see another pullback? Again, let's look at the regular chart on this. We're seeing the MACD and RSI still pretty high. RSI is very, very close to 70, so still getting to that overbought region again, but still above that 200 SMA and 50 SMA. So let's see what happens. This is going to be a critical month. Again, we have that trade dealing news coming up as well, but let's see what happens with that. I'm gonna let it play out. And another position I'm looking at is CME. Again, this is getting very oversold, a little manipulated, and seeing insider shares selling. So this is a great one to pick up for long term if you don't mind holding for long term. Again, this is an investment. It's a marathon, not a sprint, as I always say. So it's a great one to have for long term. So buy when others are fearful, sell when others are greedy. So this is a great one to pick up when it's cheap and oversold right here. The RSI is very low, below 30, so it's oversold. So I've been accumulating shares on this one. And going back into my trades, I call out all these trades play by play in the day trading alerts and options alerts, and we have the members chat where we chat with each other about stocks that we're looking to play and etc. And again, natural gas ETFs, I opened that up last week, and that's open to everyone to join for free, the rest of for the premium memberships. So again, guys, if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos and to stay updated on my trading progress in the stock market. I trade stocks, options, day trading, swing trading, investing, etc., you name it. And if you want to be a part of the chat room, head over to pinnacletrading.us. You can grab a 1-week free trial to trial the chat room and click that join now button. That will get you in the chat room. We'll get into that Discord app. But if you want to join the membership immediately, get all the live trading alerts, etc., have a simple month-to-month plan pricing. That's right there. We also do have 6 and 12 month plans, which save you money in the long run. And if you want to jump into trading, whether you're a new trader or you want to learn more about how I take these trades, how I'm able to find these, I have a mentorship plan where I teach traders one-to-one. So we'll create a systematic plan, specific to you, and it's not a general one that's universal. We'll create a plan just for you, and we'll go over tips and strategies how to get started with trading, anything from basic to advanced strategies. So if you are interested in that, send me a message in the chat room. And again, if mentioned this video, and coupon code will be Pinnacle10, and if you mention that in the chat room, I'll get 10% off for any membership that you see on the website. Again, guys, click that subscribe button and stay green, and I'll see you in my next video.